everyone, hola a todos, how are you today? ¿Cómo están? We're going to do a science experiment. Vamos a hacer un experimento and I hope you guys have fun with this. All right, so these are the things we need. We need oil, necesitamos aceite. We need water, agua, and not too much water, un poquito de agua. And we need a container, necesitamos algo que podemos mirar, something see-through, okay? Que se puede mirar adentro. So podemos usar esto o reciclarlo. We can recycle something and reuse it. Or you can use a glass container, like a flower container. O pueden usar algo así de vidrio, but para que no se quede y para no que usamos mucho. Today I'm going to recycle this so I won't have to waste too much of my oil. And it's also, you can put the seal back on and I can move it around and play with it easier, okay? So, estoy reciclando y voy a usar esto para que puedo tener una tapadera para que ya después todavía lo puedo jugar con esto, okay? All right, first up, are you ready? All right, first up, kids, we're gonna have some Alka-Seltzer, and I'm going to do this first just because I know at the end you guys are gonna get so excited. I'm going to open it, and you're gonna see these cool little tabs inside, okay? I bought these at the 99-cent store. You might have some around your house. I'm just trying to use things around your house, okay? Okay, or actually at the Dollar Tree, but they sell them at the 99-cent store. All right, we're gonna cut them in fours. Vamos a cortar en cuatros. Even if they come out in these type of pieces, don't worry about it. I'm just gonna put my hand down. Cut. You might need some help from your parents. Cut, cut. Or you can do it yourself. So see how I have a bunch of pieces? It's okay if they're different sizes. See, we have some small, we have some big. Está bien si están de diferentes tamaños. Estamos tratando de agarrarlos en cuatros, pero if it doesn't come out in fours, it's okay. We have some small, we have some big. All right, kids? Don't cry. Woo! Okay, we'll be good. Okay, so now that's there. Now we're gonna get a container. You can get a big container, or you can get a small container, right? Big, small, big, small, big, small. What's this one? Big? No, this one's big, this one's small. Well, I'm gonna use a small one today because it has the cap. Vamos a usar el chiquito. I have a funnel. You don't need a funnel. You can make one out of paper. No necesitan esto. Si pueden hacer uno de papel para hacerlo más fácil. I just like it because I want to be able to show you, talk to you, and do this at the same time all by myself. You guys can have your parents help you. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the oil, and you're gonna see how thick the oil is by this experiment. Vamos a ver qué grueso está el aceite para hacer este experimento. No lo vamos a llenar hasta arriba. We're not gonna fill it up all the way. We're gonna fill it about 2/3, about 2-3 partes. Lo vamos a llenar, okay? Como aquí. All right, ready, guys? Let's go. And I'm gonna count. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Uh-oh. Oh no! Okay, so you gotta do it slow, and I just got dirty on it. That's why I have this on, right? We get dirty, it's okay. Si nos ensuciamos, está bien. All right, so now we got 2/3. Boom, boom, boom. Put the cap on. You ready? You see it? What color is it? ¿Qué color es? Amarillo, it's yellow, right? And now we're going to fill some water. Do not, no, all the way to the top. No, we need space. So we're gonna put it right about there. Watch closely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do you see that? Can you guys see what's going on? Isn't that awesome? Look it. Tiene muchas cosas adentro, and so you guys can watch what's going on. You can look at it, experiment a little bit. Hay muchas bombitas. You see all the bubbles in there? But wait, something is happening. ¿Qué está pasando? I see white on the bottom, and I see yellow on top, and I see more white on the bottom and yellow on top. Let's put on our thinking caps. Vamos a pensar, ¿por qué está blanco abajo y amarillo encima cuando nosotros pusimos el amarillo abajo y el blanco arriba? So how did that happen? How did it happen if we already mixed them, okay? How? How did the yellow come to the top? I don't know. Let's see. Maybe the oil is lighter and that's why it can float like when we're swimming in the pool. And the water is heavier, right? The dense, this one has more bubbles. Remember, we saw the bubbles in there and it's starting to sort out. All right, so now if you add food coloring to tienen color para la comida, it'll be cool. So I wanted to choose red. I'm gonna put 4 drops. Vamos a poner 4. Will you guys help me count? Vamos a contar a 4. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, there we are. Now we put some color in there so we can do the next thing. Next up, we're gonna get a piece of this Alka-Seltzer. So remember, you guys got this? ¿Se recuerdan? All right. What do you think? What do you predict? Can you see me? What happened when I put this in here? ¿Qué piensa que va a pasar? What do you guys think? I know you're like, put it in, put it in, put it in. No, no lo podemos poner. Vamos a pensar primero qué va a pasar, qué va a pasar. I think it's gonna explode like a volcano. Well, let's see. Look, it's settled. The bubbles have come down, and the white's on the bottom, yellow's on top, and I have some of my red right there. Can you guys see it? ¿Lo pueden mirar? Okay, 1, 2. Ya lo vamos a entrar y echar. 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happens. Can you see it? Okay, look it, guys. There's a bunch of bubbles coming. I'm gonna put another one. ¿Qué está pasando? Look, what color is it turning? It's turning red. And a bunch of bubbles are going. Woo-hoo-hoo! It's a party inside. And you guys can keep doing this over and over. Ustedes pueden hacerlo muchas veces. Boop. And guess what? This pack has a lot of time on here, so you guys can just watch it bubble, 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 bubble. Make sure to leave space because it's bubbling. You see all those red bubbles? Look at how just 4 drops, 1, 2, 3, 4, made this cool thing. And why is this happening? Well, the gases are separating, okay? And they're moving around. And the oil is too light, so that's making it, and the water's pushing it, okay? So that's a chemical reaction. And I just want you guys to experiment, okay? And I want you to see how the difference in the weight from the water and the oil. And here we go. The red is to help us see how it's moving, okay? So we put the food dye because it helps us see it better. And here we go. We can add a lot or we can add a little. All right. Up here. Thank you guys for joining me. Gracias por estar conmigo y que se diviertan because look, it's really, 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 really fun, okay? Y se va a poner tanto aire y se va a mezclar. Look, it gets faster, faster, look. I shook it a little bit. That's why I put the cap on. Have a good time playing around because I will. Usted se divierte porque yo sí. Y ahí nos vemos. Goodbye. Thank you for joining me. Gracias. Adiós.